Hello, and welcome to my course, Cybersecurity in the Cloud Mastering AWS Security Challenges. I'm your host, John, the Cloudman Doe, and today we'll explore the dynamic world of AWS security, uncovering the latest threats and strategies, as well as we will look at how to mitigate them. Here is a list of topics that I will be covering and a short set of details behind each one. So let's get started. Topic 1. The dynamic threat landscape. In the realm of cloud computing, the threat landscape is ever evolving. In this topic, we will discuss specific threats like cloud-native vulnerabilities, the rise in DDoS attacks targeting cloud infrastructure, and the sophistication of phishing schemes aimed at cloud users. Topic 2. AWS-specific security risks. AWS offers robust services, yet it's not immune to security risks. In this topic, we will further elaborate on AWS-specific issues like S3 bucket misconfigurations, IAM role vulnerabilities, and challenges in securing serverless architectures. We will also look at a real-world example of a data breach resulting from an exposed S3 bucket. Topic 3. Compliance and regulatory hurdles. Navigating compliance in AWS is complex. We'll delve into the intricacies of compliance. In this topic, we will discuss how AWS users can manage compliance with regulations like GDPR, HIPAA, and SOC2. We will also look at AWS tools like AWS Artifact for compliance management. Topic 4. Impact of emerging technologies. Emerging tech like AI and IoT are transforming AWS security. In this topic, we will explore how technologies like AI are used for threat detection in AWS, the security implications of IoT devices in the AWS ecosystem, and the challenges of securing serverless computing environments. Topic 5. Securing AWS environments, best practices. So how can we secure our AWS environments effectively? In this topic, we will look at some best practices such as implementing the principle of least privilege, using AWS CloudTrail for monitoring, employing Amazon Guard Duty for threat detection, and emphasizing the importance of regular security audits. Remember that security in AWS is an ongoing journey requiring continuous vigilance. By staying informed and proactive, we can navigate these challenges successfully. Thank you for joining me on this exploration of AWS security. I'm your excellent host, John the Cloudman Doe, and this was your introduction to the Cybersecurity in the Cloud, Mastering AWS Security Challenges course. Next up is Topic 1. We will dive down into the dynamic threat landscape. So stay right there.